What's up everybody? My name is Wesley Bauer, and today I'm going to teach you how to quickly, easily, and safely assemble Ramptech's 2-foot spine ramp.
First, let's go over tools and safety. All you need for this build is a drill. I'm going to be using a high-powered battery drill. You can also use a smaller, less powerful drill. Technically, you can put this together with a screwdriver, but I absolutely do not recommend it. As for safety, glasses or some kind of protective eyewear is highly encouraged when doing any construction. Also, if you're not an adult, parental help and supervision is always recommended. Inside the box, you'll find everything else you'll need to assemble the ramp. Make sure you double check this list so you know there aren't any missing pieces. You got everything? Awesome. Let's get started. We're going to start by taking 2 of the side panel pieces and assembling them together. Grab one of the longer 2x4s and place it at the bottom of the panels. Grab a shorter 2x4 and place it underneath the top of the panels, just so we can get it balanced right. We'll be drilling the bottom piece first. Line up the bottom 2x4 with the pre-drilled holes. Once you have it all lined up, drill the 2x4 into place with the provided 2-inch screws. Next, lift up your side panels, then place the shorter 2x4 into the middle of the side panels. Line it up with the pre-drilled holes and screw it into place. Then, repeat this process once more using the remaining side panel pieces. While I drill these in, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the construction of these side panels. These side panels are not untreated plywood like many other ramp manufacturers sell. They're actually made out of Euroform plywood. That means they're more durable, moisture resistant, and have thin veneers for maximum strength. These things are made to last. Next, let's get 2 T-joists built before we begin the frame. You need to place one 2x2 onto the middle of one 2x4 and drill in 3 3-inch screws evenly spaced out. There are no pre-drilled holes for this one, so make sure you have everything lined up before drilling. Repeat this step one more time, and now we're ready to begin assembling the frame. We're going to start with attaching a 2x4 to the bottom of both side panels. Both side panels have pre-drilled holes so you know exactly where to place each piece of the frame. Make sure to rotate it slightly to fit flush with the top of the side panels. Next, we'll attach one more bottom 2x4 on the opposite side of the ramp. First, we're going to tilt the frame onto the side. This will allow us to attach the rest of the 2x4s by using downward pressure. This will make drilling much easier. First, grab 2 2x4s and place one on each side of the ramp. There are pre-drilled holes for each 2x4 that will make it easy to locate where the pieces should go. Now, you may have noticed there's one slightly skinnier piece of wood. It's a 2x2 and 13/32. This is a coping stud where the coping will sit. Attach it right between the 2 coping cutouts. Next, grab 2 more 2x4s and attach them right next to the coping stud. Now, grab those T-joists we made earlier and get them attached. Next, slowly and carefully flip the ramp onto the other side. Drill in the rest of the screws for the frame. The most difficult part is done. Let's flip the ramp back to normal and get on to the next step. Grab your coping and place one into the coping cradle. Make sure you rotate the coping to where the pre-drilled hole is facing the coping stud. Drill in a 2-inch screw. Next, attach the other side and then do the same with the second piece of coping. Grab one of the upper surface ABS plastic sheets and place it at the top of the ramp flush with the coping. Apply the top screws first, then work your way down. Now, grab a lower surface ABS plastic sheet. The lower sheet has a slim cut edge. Make sure that the edge is facing the ground. Place the top edge flush with the bottom edge of the top surface sheet and apply the screws at the top and work your way down. Next, repeat these steps for the other side of the ramp. While I drill this last surface sheet in, I'd like to tell you a little bit about this ABS plastic material. Each sheet is unbreakable and weatherproof. It's got a grippy surface and will not rot, warp, splinter, or delaminate. The ABS plastic material is extremely strong. Because of this, Ramptech has been able to eliminate the noisy steel plates that are at the bottom of many ramps. The casters can go on either side of the ramp. There are no pre-drilled holes. I would suggest evenly spacing them out so it's easily balanced when rolling the ramp. For the first screw on each caster, you may want to take a screw and drill a small hole to get it started. Screw in all 3 and you're finished with the assembly. Now, grab that Ramptech sticker, apply it to the ramp, and it's time to skate.